Today's chairside endo topic is taper. Lot of students feel the term is too fancy and they fail to understand the simple meaning of the term taper. So let me try to explain taper. We usually come across this term in terms of your hand files, your rotary files, or your gut aperture points. For example, this is a GP point. It is a 20 number GP point. That means the tip diameter is 0.2 millimeters. If you measure the diameter at the tip of this GP, it is 0.2 millimeters. If it was a 25 number GP, that means the tip diameter is 0.25 mm. Now the taper just means the increase in diameter at every 1 millimeter of this instrument or this GP. For example, if this is a 6% GP, 20 number GP, the tip diameter is 0.2 millimeters. And at 1 millimeter from the tip, the diameter will be 0.2 millimeters plus 0.06 millimeters. Suppose it was a 4% taper GP, then the tip diameter is 0.2 millimeters, and at 1 millimeters from here, the diameter will be 0.2 millimeters plus 0.04 millimeters. Now considering this is a 6% GP, so the tip diameter is 0.2 millimeters, then at 1 millimeters it is 0.2 plus 0.06, at another millimeter 0.2 plus 0.06 plus 0.06, at another millimeter 0.2 plus 0.06 plus 0.06 plus 0.06, so on and so forth. So it is a progressive increase in diameter from the tip of the instrument or your GP. That is taper. It can be constant taper or variable taper. Constant taper means throughout the length of the instrument or your GB, the taper is going to be constant. It can be 2% throughout the length, it can be 4% or it can be 6%, but it is going to be same at every 1 millimeter. But with variable taper, for example, for this particular length of the instrument, it is 2%, that for this it can be 3% or 4% or whatever. So it is changing. At different length, the taper is different. So taper is nothing but the increase or change in diameter at every millimeter of the instrument.